Rise and grind. And another video with the pull-up king. We got an alternator we're gonna be replacing. I'm gonna show you step by step what we gotta do to get to it. First and foremost, you want to take off your battery cables. No power. You don't want any power flowing through. That's the alternator. What we want to do first is, this is a 13 millimeter right here. We're going to loosen that. Now we get some wiggle, and it's a bolt up under here. Okay, so this bolt here, you got to loosen that one up. Righty tighty, lefty loosey, and then it'll give it some room. Move up and down when you do that. That's a 12 millimeter bolt right here. All right. Now I can take off the belt. We got a bolt here. Start on that one. And this one down here is holding it. Just went ahead and took off that pulley. You don't need to, but I just went ahead and got it out the way. Pry bar. Loosen that up. Next, we got to take off the connectors. $13 millimeter should be. That's where the connector goes. The positive terminal. So all you do is just twist it so you can get up in there and get that socket on there. Got a lot of oil leaking. Valve cover gaskets needed. See all of that. Alright, now I gotta go to this AutoZone and swap this out. Take it up there, give me a brand new one. There's a lifetime warranty on it. All he's paying for is the labor. So it's always good to get warranties on all your parts, no matter what it is. Alternators, pop it out. Nah, going to Infiniti.
Oh yeah, that's fine.
All right, let's get it. I got everything hooked up. Connector, positive terminal. Get in there finger tight. tighten it down. I got the belt on. Now I got my socket on there. And I'm gonna tighten it up. This is gonna push up. This belt will, this pulley will push up and then tighten the belt. Put these cables back on. Tighten them down. Now let's go ahead and start it up.